Hey guys, let's see how to have the Tapo C246D working on a Windows computer. Here I have a Windows 11 running on a Dell, and I can have the camera working here, okay? It's super simple. You see that I have the Tapo app already working here, and then I just need to use the same app here on the computer by using an emulator for Windows. So I just come here and I download this BlueStacks, okay? So it's pretty simple. I just need to come to Google and look for BlueStacks. That's the one, BlueStacks.com. And here you're gonna download this BlueStacks software, okay? You just install it. It takes some time to install. Then you just need to open it up. And you just need to log in with your account, with the Google Play account to download softwares or to download apps, right? And you're gonna see some advertisement as well. You just need to leave with this because that's the way to go. And then you can search any app that you want and install it here the same way you install on your phone, right? So you just come here on search and look for Tapo. Let me just insert here Tapo, hit enter to search, and then just remember to click here search in Google Play. Otherwise, it's not gonna find it. And here, as you can see, it's gonna find the Tapo app. Just make sure that you're using the TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. And then you just install it. I already have mine here, so I can just open, right? There we go. Then I can just log in with my account, my Tapo account, the same way I do on my cell phone. And I'm good to go. I can see all of my camera, all of my Tapo devices just right here. You see that takes a while to load. And then there is some information about how to use Alexa, Google Assistant, and everything else. Some extra information here. And you see all my devices available here, including the Tapo C246D. Okay? So I just need to click on the camera that I want, and the camera is available. Okay, super simple. From here you can do everything that you do on your cell phone, take photo, manual recording, control the volume, do voice calls, talk, pan and tilt, and everything else. So just moving the camera directly here from the computer, and you can use your computer anywhere. It doesn't matter if you're traveling and you're in a distant location or you're at home. It works the same way that works with your cell phone, okay? So super simple. That's the way you can have your Tapo C246D working on a Windows computer. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.